Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys at my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys tecno setting, and today video title is guys how to delete and how to remove tecno lock screen password. Friends, you don't want to use tecno lock screen password, you want to delete tecno lock screen password. So friends, now let's see how to delete lock screen password one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, unlock your device. After unlock phone, friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, scroll down here and open your phone security setting. After turning on phone security setting, friends, you want to use find my device setting. So you can find my device setting. You want to check your security update, you can check your security update here. So friends, click your screen lock setting, enter your screen lock password, and friends, you can check I have face lock in my Tecno mobile, and you don't have face lock, you want to add face lock, you want to unlock Tecno mobile with face lock, so you can add your face lock. Friends, already I have face lock, so I cannot add. And friends, if you delete your lock screen password, so your face lock will delete automatic. Wait and watch. So now enter your lock screen password. After enter password, friends, you can check. If you click a none option, so you can remove your lock screen password. If you click a swipe option, so you can remove your lock screen password. And you want to change your lock screen password, select your new password type and you can change. So friends, I will click here none option, yes, remove option. Friends, you can check face lock will delete automatic. Fingerprint lock you have, fingerprint lock will delete automatic. And friends, now you can unlock your phone without face lock, without password. And friends, you can see swipe lock will also remove. If you click none option, if you select non password option, your swipe lock will also remove. And if you click here swipe lock settings, so friends, again you can unlock your mobile with swipe lock. Off screen, on screen swipe here, phone will unlock. And if you click here friends none option, so friends, you can check screen will on automatic, swipe lock will remove. So you want to use swipe lock, click here swipe option and you can use. And friends, again if you click your fingerprint lock setting, set lock screen password, you can add fingerprint. You want to add face lock, set lock screen password first, you can add face lock. So like that friends, you can use password security setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem in Tecno settings, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.